What's up, everybody? So this is the 2018 Suzuki M109 that we're going to be customizing. We're going to be doing to this bike, we're going to be doing air cleaner, we're going to be doing an entire light kit on the whole bike, which means pretty much the way I like to do it, every piece of plastic's got to come off. We got to take the fuel tank off. We're getting a new headlight put in. We're eliminating these turn signals. Like I said, air cleaner, it's getting a Power Commander 5 so that we can tune it because we're putting bigger air filters on it. It's getting a full exhaust system from Freedom Exhaust and a lot of different things. So basically the first thing to do is I'm just going to start pulling plastic off, getting the tank pulled off. That way we get everything open and accessible, because it's pretty much all going to have to come off anyway because just the light kit that I'm doing on it. So